Take a moment and look around your space. Is there a stack of items that hasn't moved in days? A cabinet that barely shuts because it's too full? A small area that's slowly turned into a collection point for things you'll handle someday? Most people think a cluttered home is caused by laziness or carelessness, but that's usually not the real story. Often, the condition of our surroundings reflects the condition of our minds. There is a type of exhaustion that sleep cannot fix. You wake up tired, move through the day drained, and even simple chores feel overwhelming. Washing dishes, folding clothes, or organizing a room can seem as difficult as climbing a steep hill. As the mess grows, so does the feeling of frustration. Many people see clutter and immediately assume failure. In reality, it can be a warning sign. A messy environment often signals that someone is mentally overloaded, stressed, or emotionally exhausted. Research has shown that people who describe their homes as cluttered tend to have higher levels of cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone. In other words, clutter is not only something you see, it can affect how you feel physically and emotionally. Your brain naturally reacts to disorder. Even when you're not consciously thinking about it, the constant visual noise can create tension and keep your stress levels elevated. Have you ever started cleaning and somehow ended up jumping from one task to another without finishing any of them? Maybe you picked up a jacket, noticed a book, carried the book to a shelf, found a glass, took it to the kitchen, and suddenly forgot about the jacket entirely. That experience is more common than most people realize. Sometimes the issue is related to executive functioning, the mental system responsible for starting tasks, staying focused, and completing them. When this system becomes overloaded, everything feels equally important and equally difficult. The result is often paralysis instead of progress. Depression can make this cycle even harder. It doesn't always appear as sadness or tears. Sometimes it looks like unopened mail, overflowing laundry baskets, or dishes left untouched for days. Depression drains motivation and energy, making even small responsibilities feel impossible. Then the clutter creates guilt, and that guilt deepens the depression, forming a cycle that can be difficult to break. The encouraging news is that cleaning can be surprisingly healing. Not because a spotless house determines your worth, but because taking action restores a sense of control. When life feels chaotic, creating a little order in your environment reminds your brain that you are capable of making progress. You don't need to tackle everything at once. Focus on a single shelf, one countertop, or one small pile. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is creating a space that helps you feel calmer, clearer, and more supported. Remember, the clutter didn't accumulate in a single day, so there's no need to eliminate it all at once. Every small action counts. That first step isn't only about tidying your home, it's about taking care of yourself. Subscribe for more fascinating insights into the hidden psychology behind everyday life.